Well, it's NAB 2022 and we are at the Nugen audio stand. This is one of two videos that we're doing here this year. Don't forget to check out the other video with Freddie. In this particular video, we're talking with Tom. Hi, Tom. Now, this plugin's been out for a while, but no one has seen it really because, of course, we've had the pandemic, and this is the first time we've seen it in the wild here. Tell us a bit about what we've got here.
So Paragon is our new true convolution reverb. It works all the way up to 7.12 audio, so it's compatible with Dolby Atmos bed tracks. The idea is that it's a true convolution reverb with the editability and the flexibility of a algorithmic reverb.
Yep.
So with true convolution reverbs, obviously they're based upon impulse responses. So the idea is that all the realistic sounds that come with Paragon, you can actually sort of do a lot more sort of editing and sort of changing. We've got a relatively small IR library, but with all the things you can change means that it isn't too CPU intensive and it's not a huge download file. So that kind of gives like Paragon its own kind of USP, if you like.
So give us an idea of the sort of controls that you've got on here.
So this is the main UI display. You've kind of got the main view that you can see here is sort of the sort of distribution of the reverb via like frequency bands. So obviously closer to the center is your low end frequencies, and then the further out of it from the center you go is your high end. You've got your pre-delay and your decay on here. You can actually, if you've got like soundtracks and things like that, or like music, you can actually set the pre-delay to the tempo of what you've got set in your DAW. As well, you can set the mic distance in the room, so obviously that'll have some changes to the reflections and things like that. You've got your standard like solo mute buttons. You've got high pass, low pass filter. Your Crosstalk, which is a really interesting feature. So if you've got like, if you want to maintain sort of like dialogue clarity in the center channel, but you want to kind of maintain the atmosphere of a reverb, basically what that'll do is redistribute the sort of reverb to be in the surround channels. So it'll go across to like your ears and your tops, but it'll keep that sort of clarity in the center channel of the dialogue.
In the center for you.
And then you've got some like cool modulation kind of feature. It's based upon a chorus, but that's if you want to go a bit weird and wacky with your reverbs. And then you've got like your size control of the room and obviously your brightness there as well.
Brilliant. And again, as with all your plugins, they work in multiple DAWs.
Yeah, so it's AX, VST3 and AU as well, and they work across all the digital audio workstations.
Brilliant. Tom, that's great. Okay, so if people want to find out more about this, where can they find out more?
They can go to nugenaudio.com/Paragon.
Brilliant, Tom. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Well, there you go. You want to find out more about this amazing reverb here from Nugen Audio, go and have a look at the website. Don't forget to look at the other video we've done here, and for more from us, you can find that all at kitplus.com.